Hello students, let's move on to unit 4. So in this one of the important concept is about Runge Kutta fourth order formula. Now the main formula is this one, yn plus 1, that is suffix n plus 1 is equal to this yn plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So now what is this k1? K1 is equal to h into function of x naught y naught. K2 is equal to h into function of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k1 by 2. Then K3 is equal to h into function of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k2 by 2. Then the last one, K4 is equal to h into function of x naught plus h and y naught plus k3. Now let's see how to solve one problem based on this Runge-Kutta fourth order formula. See, given the question is like this. Given dy by dx is equal to y minus x. That means the function of x and y, this dy by dx can be considered as a function of x and y, and that relation between x and y is given here as y minus x. This is very important for us. Okay, y minus x, where y of 0 is equal to 2 and h is equal to 0.1. You are asked to find, that is y of 0.1 using Runge-Kutta fourth order formula. Now what is given in the question? Dy by dx. I said it is a function of x and y, and that relation is given like this. F of xy is equal to y minus x, and this h is given. Y of 0.1 you are asked to calculate, and here one important information is given. You see, y of 0 is equal to 2. So y of 0 is equal to 2 means, in general, we have y of x naught is equal to y naught. Okay, this is very important to remember. Y of x naught is equal to y naught. So comparing this with the given value, what do you get? X naught is 0. That's what we have written. X naught is equal to 0. And you see, compare this y naught with this 2. So y naught is equal to 2. So what is given is x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 2. So let us first find out K1, K2, K3 and K4. Formulas I have mentioned in the previous slide. So what is K1? H into function of x naught y naught. That is h into function of x naught y naught, or function of x and y means it is y minus x. So since it is a function of x naught y naught, we are writing it as y naught minus x naught. That's all. And h is given as 0.1. And what is y naught? See here, y naught is 2. What is x naught? 0. So y naught minus x naught means 2 minus 0. So you get the answer here for K1 as 0.2. Next you see, K2 is equal to the formula I discussed in the previous slide, h into function of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k1 by 2. H is 0.1. So function of x naught is 0 plus h is 0.1 divided by 2, comma 2 plus. Now what is k1? K1 we have obtained here 0.2 divided by 2. So simplifying, you get 0.1 into function of the simplification of this term, that is 0.1 by 2 is 0.05. This is 2 plus 0.2 by 2. You get this as 2.1. So what is the function? Given function, you see, this is very important, y minus x. So this is like y and this is x. So 2.1 minus 0.05. So you get 2.05. When you multiply by 0.1, you get 0.205. So we have obtained K2. K3 is here. So K3 is equal to h into function of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k2 by 2. That is 0.1. H is 0.1. Function of x naught, you know, 0. H is 0.1 by 2. Y naught is 2. K2, see here we have obtained this as 0.205. Same thing is written here, divided by 2. So you get 0.05, and simplification of this will give you 2.1025. So you remember this function, you see y minus x. So this is y, this is x. So 2.1025 minus 0.05, that will give you 2.0525. When you multiply by 0.1, you get this as 0.20525. Okay, so K4 is h into function of x naught plus h, comma y naught plus K3. So h is 0.1, x naught is 0, h is 0.1, y naught is 2, K3 is what you obtained here, see 0.20525 right here. And this is 0.1. When you add this to this, you get 2.20525. Again, you see the given function y minus x. So this is y and 0.1 is x. So 2.20525 minus 0.1. So you get this. So simplifying this, you get 0.21052. That is K4. So now we have obtained K1, K2, K3, K4. Now we just substitute here. You are asked to find y of 0.1, right? So n is taken as 0 in the first case. So 0 plus 1. So here in place of n, you are writing it as 0 only. So y naught plus 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. So y naught is given 2 plus 1 by 6 into, see, K1, K2, K3, K4 values are substituted here. So you get this. It's a direct substitution. Use the calculator. And final answer is 2.2052. Okay, very simple and very important. Study this thoroughly. So thank you for watching.